Sabadi, let's make some fresh roll today. It is a favorite my friend and family. First, I'm going to make some Korean noodle. This is a very good brand and I use like a half of the bag. Let the water boil and add the noodle in. When we're waiting for the noodle done, so we're going to make some sauce. It is a very easy sauce to make for the fish roll, and I use some soy milk, and it is the hoisin sauce, and I use a whole can, then mix together very well. Just keep mixing up. Make sure the bottom you're mixing very good, and it is look good, right? Yes. So let's check out my noodle now. I love the noodle to be soft, so if you think they are done, give them a pinch taste for softness. Make them a little softer than you normally would, as this will make them easier to roll. Then wash with the cold water so the noodle will not stick together. When the noodle cool off, and give a soak about 5 minutes and then drain off the water. So now let's cut some chicken, and this is the chicken I boiling already. Cut thin is better when you go to make the rolls. You can use pork or beef or anything else you would like to, but today I just want chicken and shrimp. And I prepare of the some vegetable already done cutting, waiting for my chicken to be done. So let's check of the my prepare stuff. This is some noodle, some lettuce, carrot, cucumber, and chai. And this is the chicken and shrimp, and I also cut half. And this is the 2 different paper wrap. Don't forget the water. And I use the metal for roll is better. Let's start. First, you dip the rice paper in the water and rotate in the water is evenly distributed. And add vegetable, chicken, everything in there, and wrap part way, then add the shrimp and continue to wrap. This will be make for a nice look. It's easy to roll, but if you make a mistake, don't worry, they will still taste good. Believe me, I done so many times until my roll is looking nice. So, by the way, if you do not want to miss my videos, please like and subscribe below so you will see more of my video I will post soon as possible.